Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is a video that I really didn't want to make because it's very negative oriented, but I can't say positive things about insurances. So I want to tell you some points, something that probably is going to help you a lot in case that you have to deal with the insurance. So if you are a young rider or a young driver, just prepare to be amazed with the quotes that you're gonna get. They will mess you up badly. I hear stories like 21 years old people getting quotes for £3,600 per year for 1 to 5, which is absolutely mental. Anyway, what I want to bring to your attention is, no matter what happens, never call the insurance. Never. Unless, what is that, a lake? Unless it's like a serious accident or something similar. Never call the insurance. They will mess you up nicely. How do I know? Well, the thing is, I didn't know, and I literally scratched someone's bumper with my other bike, because I have two policies, two different bikes, and the insurance obviously raise the premium on that bike where the accident occurred and this one. So basically all your bikes in your policy will get affected. They ask £450 for the big one and £480 I think for the small one. So no matter what happened, never ever call the insurance. Don't inform them of anything. Just let them be in the dark. The best thing you can do is find a solution on the spot. Speak to the guy, say, you know what, I'm gonna pay you, let's don't involve insurances and stuff like this. So never call them to inform them about anything, nothing. Okay, so never call them. Insurances will always try to mess you up, so I would say never buy any sort of packages from them. For example, if they have a road assistance, do not buy it. Just buy double A, AA, the yellow guys. Much better, about £120 a year, and they won't really charge you as a claim, in case that some insurances, for example, they don't count it as a claim in case that they come and save you, but most likely they would. So never inform them, never buy anything from them. Try to find the cheapest insurance possible, because no matter what happens, they are all trash. They are all absolutely horrible. So don't feel like you have to go with big names. I don't want to mention any, but like big names. So don't do that. Just choose the cheapest one, and also choose the cheapest package you can. I would go for third party and fire only, because anyway, if they steal your bike, they would mess you up. For example, if you have your bike insured for like £5,000, the first amount of money is usually the excess, which can be £500, can be zero, can be £1,000. So yeah, they're not gonna pay you the value. First of all, they will try everything not to pay you, which is the most common thing. They will try to blame you that you didn't use specific locks, or you didn't lock it properly. They treat you like you're a stupid person. That's what they do. That's my experience with them, as I got my other bike stolen once and has been found, but that's besides the point. So yeah, just choose the cheapest insurance you can. Mileage wise, again, don't tell them that you're gonna do 20,000 miles a year. Just say like a realistic number, but nothing exactly corresponding to reality, because they will charge you so much for no reason. Yeah, so basically what happened with me is there were some protesters in London near Westminster, and a guy came on the street like a pedestrian. The van in front of me obviously hit the brakes, and I couldn't really react in time. I scratched his bumper. The guy didn't care at all. He said to me, yeah, whatever, that's fine. But I did a mistake. I didn't know back then, and I informed my insurance. So I paid like £1,000 almost for two bikes for no reason. Although the accident occurred with one of them, They charged me for everything. The same thing happened when they caught me speeding. I was going 35 on a 20, and you know, obviously they saw it, so they charged me for one of my bikes. And when I called them to ask, I wanted to ask them, like, you know, how much would be to get this bike insured, something different, right? And they told me, oh yeah, you know what, you have points on one of your policies, now we have to put on the other one. So they charged me another 350 pounds out of nowhere. Like, can you imagine? I just called them to ask them how much would be if I want to get that bike, for example, and they're just charging you money for no reason. Your postcode, of course, will affect your premiums and how expensive your insurance is gonna be. Nice one. All right, whatever. So yeah, your postcode will affect your premiums. If you're living in London like myself, your insurance is gonna be absolutely crazy. If you're living in Cambridge or any small village, your insurance is gonna be, it's not gonna be cheap, but it will be cheaper. Typically, motorcycle insurance is extremely expensive because it's extremely easy to steal a motorcycle or even a bike. I don't know anyone that insures bikes, like bicycles. So yeah, guys, that's my advice. I learned that the very hard way. There's some drama going on. Do not inform them about anything. Do not tell them you had an accident. Just try to find, you know, a good solution on spot. If the guy asks, you know, I want 500 pounds to fix that, that's perfect, because they will charge you more. And not only that, they would keep charging you forever. So every time you get like a new quote or a new insurance, they will tell you, did you had any kind of accidents in the last like 5 years or so? And then the answer would be yes, because you would have. So yeah, just try to find those spots. Whatever they say, pay the money. I think it's the best you can do. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for the insurance. Just do not pay the crazy amount of money they ask you. Find other solutions, which I really cannot explain in this video, as they might sound illegal, and I want to keep the channel as legal it gets. Come on, my friend. You're slower than a turtle. Do you know that? So there is many solutions, you know, to cut insurance costs, but unfortunately I can't tell you here. If you follow me on Instagram at ZThisRider, the same name as you see here on YouTube, and you send me a text message, then I can tell you how to lower your insurance, but I really can't do it here for obvious reasons. They will just flag my video, even bring any problems to my channel. So that's pretty much it, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and be careful with insurance, or insurances in plural, because they will try to mess you up no matter what you do. It doesn't matter if it's your fault or not. They will hold about 2,500 to 3,500 pounds in case. The moment you report something, that's the reserve money, and until the claim is closed, which is about 6 to 8 months, you're gonna have to pay that premiums, and most likely you're never gonna get it back. What would be the logical thing? If you drive 1 year with no accident, there's nothing, they should give you the money back, because they didn't provide any service at all. But that's not happening. So, and especially in London, like, if you pay that extreme amount of money for insurance, I mean, you should be able to get at least half of the money back. If you, like, this bike is 2,500 pounds to insure. I'm not a new rider. I had few claims, whatever. I had some points on my license, and yeah, I should get something back. But obviously, if anything, next year is gonna be more expensive. So I'm keeping and collecting money to make sure that I would be able to afford it. Because you want to pay yearly, you don't want to pay monthly. It's gonna be much cheaper. I mean, the moment you pay 2.5k for insurance that they can't do anything for you, and they won't do in case you need it, that's, you already lost the game. But you get it. That insurance is for you guys, London style. what can we do? It is what it is. It's between everything else that they steal our money. This is also something. Someone just crashed here. There was like a speed camera, as you can see the lines. I think someone crashed on it. They removed it, which is perfect. So if you have any questions about insurance, just drop me a comment down below. If you have any questions how to save money with insurance, text me on Instagram, because I can't really write very dodgy stuff here on YouTube. Everything is monitored extremely well. Just text me and I'll tell you the ways how to save money. And that's pretty much it, guys. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and don't let the sun fool you. It was raining for like 1 week every day. Suddenly it's sunny for some reason. But yeah, see you on the next one. Bye bye.